Hey guys, today I'm gonna be ruining a pair of my mom's high heels because I hate high heels so much. So we're gonna go into her closet and go find some. Ooh, some sparkly red ones. I'm gonna do this blue one. It's like weird glitter. And so here's like a pretty pink one. And we should do this one right here that has like all the like different colors in it. I'm gonna do these three. So I'm gonna put the shaving cream on first so the glitter will stick to the shoe. Gotta cover the bow. Now I gotta ruin the table too, you know? I'm gonna put some glitter on. Why did I even shape that? Okay. Some pink. This is starting to look like a cupcake, I'm not gonna lie. Oh! Yeah. Yeah. You ready? All my TikTok fans? Walk a mile in these Louboutins. They don't. Yeah. Oh, it feels like when you rub it together, it feels like when your hand falls asleep. It's like, I'm just gonna like rub this in, you know, so you can't really see the shoe. So I kind of decided maybe I should wash the shoes. So I'm gonna go put them in the washing machine because that's where we put everything, in the washing machine. Oh yeah, maybe we should use a little thingy. I mean, it looks like it's working.